I want to show you something very simple that I learned on Pinterest. You take to make a bow for your stove. You take a dish towel and you fold it in 2/3 like this. And then you take another dish towel. Okay, but what we're going to do is we're going to fold it, let me undo it here, into thirds, this one, and then we're going to fold it again, this one of them. And what we're going to do is we're going to just fold this one in half, and we're going to gather it. You see where I'm going with this? So you're going to fold this one in half, and then you're going to take this one and drape it over like this. Okay? So there's your pretty bow. Now what I do is I'm going to take this over to my stove. Is I put this inside. You see I put that inside, and this one, they both go inside to hold the bow like this. And what I do is I take this and I bring it out like so. So here's your bow for your stove. Okay.